Jesus, in today's Gospel reading, invites us to choose the narrow way, the hardest way that leads us to life. Jesus calls us to the path of sacrifice, to the path of humility, to the path of love, and to the path of dedication. Jesus calls us not to be proud, but to be bowed. Jesus calls us not to be selfish, but to be selfless. Jesus calls us not to live for greed, but to live to feed. And Jesus calls us not to seek our name, but to seek Jesus' name. Well, my dear brothers and sisters, being proud, being selfish, being greed, and seeking fame are broad ways that lead us away from God. But remember, my dear brothers and sisters, being simple, being humble, being generous, and to live for God and to live for others are narrow ways that lead us towards God. Well, my dear friends, as we are celebrating the 21st Sunday in Ordinary Time, the path of sacrifice leads to the path of paradise. The path of humility leads us to the path of eternity, and the path of dedication leads us to the path of salvation.